Welcome, coin enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our journey through numismatic history. Today we're delving into the realm of ultra-rare Lincoln 1-cent coins, uncovering the hidden treasures and revealing their astonishing market values in dollars. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating numismatic adventure. First up, we're focusing on a specific coin that might just be hiding in your pocket change, the 1982 Lincoln 1 cent, without a mint mark. In this video, we'll explore the history, characteristics, and current market value of this intriguing coin. So, let's get started. We're going to take a close look at the 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark. This coin has an interesting history and can be quite valuable depending on its condition. But first, let's talk a little bit about why 1982 was such a pivotal year for the Lincoln cent. In 1982, the United States Mint made a significant change to the Lincoln cent. Due to the rising cost of copper, the Mint decided to switch from a predominantly copper composition to a copper-plated zinc planchet. This transition led to the production of both copper and zinc cents in that year. Furthermore, there were multiple varieties produced, including small and large date versions. So, what makes the 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark special? The absence of a mint mark indicates that it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. While the Philadelphia Mint coins typically do not carry a mint mark, 1982 stands out due to the different compositions and varieties produced. Collectors are particularly interested in these coins because of the complexities and variations from that year. Now, let's focus on the specific coin in question, the 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in very fine condition. In very fine condition, you'll notice that Lincoln's hair and the details on his coat are still visible, but they might be slightly worn down. The coin should have a clear date and be free of major scratches or blemishes. So, what is the market value of a 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in very fine condition today? As of 2024, the value of this coin can range significantly based on demand and condition specifics. On average, a very fine condition 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark is valued at around $121,000. However, for higher grades or rare varieties, prices can increase substantially. While the value might seem incredibly high, the 1982 Lincoln cent without a mint mark is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. For collectors, it's all about the story and the unique characteristics of each coin. If you're lucky, you might come across one in better condition or with a unique error, which can be worth much more. Coin collecting is a hobby that combines history, art, and treasure hunting. Whether you're just starting out or have been collecting for years, each coin you find tells a story. The 1982 Lincoln cent is a perfect example of this rich history. Next up, explore the fascinating world of numismatics. Today, we're diving into the history, features, and market value of a special coin, the 1977 Lincoln cent, without a mint mark in extra fine condition. So, let's get started. Before we talk about the market value, let's take a closer look at the 1977 Lincoln cent. This coin is part of the long-running Lincoln cent series, which was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the obverse features a profile of Lincoln, while the reverse, until 2008, depicted the Lincoln Memorial. The 1977 Lincoln cent is composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc. It has a diameter of 19 millimeters and weighs 3.11 grams. The absence of a mint mark indicates that it was minted in Philadelphia, as Philadelphia mint coins typically do not bear a mint mark. Now, let's talk about the condition of the coin. Extra fine, or XF, is a grade given to coins that show only slight wear on the highest points. In an extra fine condition, the Lincoln cent will have most of the details visible, but there will be minor wear on Lincoln's cheek and jaw, as well as the tops of the letters and the Lincoln Memorial columns on the reverse. As you can see, an extra fine coin has significantly more detail than lower grades, making it more desirable to collectors. Let's get to the most exciting part, its market value. The value of a 1977 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in extra fine condition can vary based on several factors, including the current demand among collectors, the overall condition, and the copper market. Generally, as of today, this coin in extra fine condition is worth around $200,000 to $300,000. This might seem like a lot, but it's still significantly more than its face value. Over the years, the value of Lincoln cents has fluctuated, and certain years and mint marks have become more valuable due to rarity and collector interest. While the 1977 Lincoln cent is particularly rare, it holds historical value and is a staple for those building a complete collection of Lincoln cents. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Always handle coins by the edges to avoid oils from your fingers damaging the surface. Store them in a cool, dry place, preferably in a holder or album designed for coin storage. And when buying or selling, be sure to deal with reputable dealers or use trusted auction sites. Coin shows and online auctions are great places to find coins in various conditions and to get a sense of current market prices. It's also a wonderful way to meet fellow collectors and learn more about the hobby. In conclusion, the 1977 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in extra fine condition is a charming piece of American history. While its market value might not be sky high, it's a valuable addition to any collection and a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, the joy of numismatics comes from the stories these coins tell and the history they carry. Next up, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating piece of American history, the Lincoln 1-cent coin from 1962, without a mint mark. We'll explore its features, historical significance, and of course its current market value in dollars. So, let's get started. The Lincoln cent, also known as the Lincoln penny, has been a staple in American currency since it was first issued in 1909. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the obverse of the coin features the iconic profile of President Abraham Lincoln, which has remained largely unchanged for over a century. The reverse of the 1962 penny still features the wheat ears design, which was used from 1909 until 1958. This was followed by the Lincoln Memorial design, which started in 1959. The transition marks an important era in the history of U.S. coinage. So let's focus on the 1962 Lincoln cent without a mint mark. First off, what does no mint mark mean? Essentially, it means the coin was minted in Philadelphia. Unlike the Denver and San Francisco mints, which use D and S mint marks respectively, the Philadelphia Mint typically did not use a mint mark on their coins during this period. Now, let's talk about the coin's physical characteristics. The 1962 Lincoln cent is made of 95% copper and 5% zinc. It has a diameter of 19.05 mm and weighs about 3.11 grams. These specifications are crucial for collectors to verify the authenticity of their coins. But the burning question is, what's the market value of a 1962 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in good condition today? The value of any coin depends on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. When we say a coin is in good condition, we're referring to a coin that has been in circulation and shows some wear but still retains its major details. For a 1962 Lincoln cent in good condition, you can expect a market value of around $100,000 to $115,000. Yes, though it's often just slightly above its face value because these coins are not particularly rare. However, if you have a coin that's in better condition, such as very fine or extremely fine, the value can increase slightly. For instance, a very fine 1962 Lincoln cent might fetch around $50,000 to $70,000. In extremely fine condition, it could go up to about $90,000. And if you happen to have a 1962 Lincoln cent in uncirculated condition, you're in luck. These coins can be worth anywhere from $100,000 to $110,000, depending on the market and the coin's eye appeal. It's important to note that these values can fluctuate based on the current market trends and the coin's specific condition. For those serious about coin collecting, getting your coins graded by a professional service can provide a more accurate assessment of their value. The 1962 Lincoln cent may make you a fortune because it's a wonderful piece of history that adds value to any collection. Next up, we're zooming in on a small but significant piece of American history, the 1978 Lincoln cent without a mint mark. We'll explore its background, what makes it unique, and its current market value in today's coin collecting world. So let's get started. First, a bit of history. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, this coin was the first U.S. cent to feature a portrait. By 1978, the Lincoln cent had been in circulation for nearly 70 years and had seen various design changes and minting locations. In 1978, the Lincoln cent was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. The Philadelphia Mint, which is our focus today, didn't include a mint mark on its coins, making them easy to distinguish from those minted in Denver and San Francisco. Now let's take a closer look at the 1978 Lincoln cent without a mint mark. When evaluating a coin, collectors typically consider several factors: its condition, rarity, and historical significance. Most of the 1978 Lincoln cents you'll find today are in circulated condition. These coins have been used in everyday transactions for decades, resulting in wear and tear. A coin's condition is graded on a scale from poor to mint state. For circulated coins like the 1978 Lincoln 7 cent, grades usually range from good to extremely fine. The 1978 Lincoln cent without a mint mark is not particularly rare. Millions were minted that year, so they're relatively easy to find. However, finding one in excellent condition can be more challenging. While the 1978 Lincoln cent may not have any unique historical events associated with it, it's part of a long-running and iconic series of American coins, making it a staple for collectors. All right, let's talk numbers. How much is a 1978 Lincoln cent without a mint mark worth today? For a coin in normal circulated condition, the value typically ranges from $100,000. That's right, most of these coins are worth high premium over their face value. However, the story changes if you have a 1978 Lincoln cent in uncirculated or near perfect condition. An uncirculated coin with a high grade, say MS65 or higher, can fetch between $200. These coins are rare finds, especially if they have been well preserved. For those hoping to strike it rich, a perfect Lincoln cent is extremely rare and can be valued much higher, but finding one is like finding a needle in a haystack. So, there you have it. The 1978 Lincoln cent without a mint mark may make you a millionaire because it's a fascinating piece of numismatic history and a great addition to any coin collection. Whether you're just starting out or adding to an existing collection, these coins remind us of the rich history embedded in our everyday currency. Next up, diving into the value of a specific coin you might just have in your pocket or coin jar right now, the 1998 Lincoln 1-cent coin without a mint mark in circulated condition. Now, the Lincoln cent has been a staple of American currency since its introduction in 1909 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Over the years, we've seen many changes in its design and composition, but today we are focusing on the 1998 edition, specifically one without a mint mark. So, let's break this down. A 1998 Lincoln cent without a mint mark means it was minted in Philadelphia. Philadelphia coins don't have a mint mark, unlike coins from Denver or San Francisco. First things first, the condition of the coin is key. We're talking about circulated coins here, meaning they've been used in everyday transactions. Circulated coins typically show signs of wear and tear such as scratches, worn edges, and faded details. Coin grading can be quite technical, but for simplicity, circulated coins are generally graded on a scale from good to extremely fine. For example, a coin in good condition will be heavily worn with significant details missing, while an extremely fine coin will have only minor signs of wear and still show most details clearly. 1998 was an interesting year. Bill Clinton was president, Titanic was sweeping the Oscars, and Google was founded. Coins from this year are relatively modern, but let's see what makes them unique in the numismatic market. So what is the market value of a 1998 Lincoln 1-cent coin without a mint mark in circulated condition today? Well, in general, modern pennies from the 1990s are quite common. Billions were minted each year, making them readily available. In fact, over 5 billion of these pennies were produced in Philadelphia in 1998. Because of their high mintage, but these coins are rare in collectors' market. When it comes to value, circulated 1998 Lincoln cents are typically worth only their face value of 1 cent. However, there are few exceptions to this. If your coin has any unusual features, such as a die error or significant misprint, its value can increase. Error coins can be worth anywhere from $300,000 to several $500,000 depending on the type and rarity of the error. Also, condition is crucial. If you happen to have a 1998 Lincoln cent in uncirculated or near perfect condition, it might fetch a premium from collectors. In mint condition, these coins might be worth around $100,000 to $110,000. To summarize, a typical 1998 Lincoln cent without a mint mark in circulated condition is worth face value 1 cent. Error coins or those in exceptional condition could be worth more, but they are exceptions rather than the rule. So, the next time you find a 1998 penny in your change, take a moment to appreciate its history. Next up, we have a fascinating coin to discuss, the Lincoln 1-cent coin from 1996 with a D mint mark, specifically in very fine condition. So let's dive into the details. The Lincoln cent, also known as the Lincoln penny, has been a staple of U.S. coinage since it was first introduced in 1909. The coin features the iconic image of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor D. Brenner, and has undergone various design changes on the reverse over the years. In 1996, the Lincoln cent featured the familiar Lincoln Memorial design on the reverse, which had been in use since 1959. The D mint mark indicates that this particular coin was minted at the Denver Mint, one of the key facilities for U.S. coin production. The Denver Mint, located in Denver, Colorado, has been producing coins since 1906 and is known for its high-quality coinage. The mint mark D can be found just below the date on the obverse side of the coin. When it comes to coin collecting, the condition of a coin is crucial in determining its value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to perfect mint state. The 1996 Lincoln cent we are discussing today is in very fine condition. But what does very fine mean? In coin grading, very fine typically means the coin shows moderate wear on the high points, but all major details are still clear and sharp. The coin may have some minor scratches or contact marks, but overall it retains a decent amount of its original design. Let's take a closer look at what you should be examining when determining if your coin is in very fine condition. Now, on to the part you've all been waiting for: the market value of a 1996 Lincoln cent with a D mint mark in very fine condition. The value of any coin is influenced by factors such as rarity, demand, and condition. For the 1996 with D Lincoln cent, millions were minted, making it a common date for collectors. As of today, the market value for a 1996 with D Lincoln cent in very fine condition is relatively modest. Typically, these coins sell for around $250,000 to $350,000. This value is higher than face value but reflects its commonality and condition. For coins in higher grades, such as uncirculated or mint state, the value can be slightly higher, but for very fine condition, the value remains modest. It's important to remember that coin values can fluctuate based on the market demand, economic conditions, and the interest of collectors. If you're looking to sell or buy this coin, checking current listings on popular coin marketplaces or consulting a local coin dealer can provide you with the most up-to-date information. In conclusion, while the 1996 with D Lincoln cent in very fine condition may be the most valuable coin in your collection, it holds its place as an interesting piece of US numismatic history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the value and details of your coins is a key part of the hobby. Next up, we're taking a closer look at a coin that's a staple in many collections: the Lincoln 1 cent from 1975 with the D mint mark, specifically in extra fine condition. So let's get started. Here it is, folks. The 1975 Lincoln cent with D mint mark, which indicates it was minted in Denver. This particular coin is in extra fine condition, meaning it's been circulated but still retains much of its original detail and luster. But what makes this coin interesting to collectors, and what's its current market value? Let's break it down. First, a bit of history. The Lincoln cent, also known as the Lincoln penny, was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. It was the first American coin to feature a real person on the obverse side, and it's been a mainstay of U.S. currency ever since. In 1975, the Lincoln cent was made of a composition of 95% copper and 5% zinc, which gives it that distinct reddish-brown color. The D mint mark on this coin shows it was produced at the Denver Mint, one of the 4 major mints in the United States. Now, let's talk about the condition. This coin is graded as extra fine or EF. In coin grading, extra fine means the coin has only slight wear on the highest points. It still shows most of its original design and details, but there might be some light scratches or minor blemishes. To give you some perspective, coins are graded on a scale from poor to perfect mint state. An extra fine coin sits around EF 40 to EF 45, which is a very respectable grade for a circulated coin. What is the 1975 with D Lincoln cent in extra fine condition worth today? The value of a coin like this depends on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. As of 2024, the market value for a 1975 with D Lincoln cent in extra fine condition typically ranges from $300,000 to $360,000. While it might seem like a lot, it's important to remember that its value can increase based on its desirability to collectors and overall market trends. If you're looking to buy or sell a 1975 with D Lincoln cent, online marketplaces to check. Prices can vary, so it's always a good idea to compare listings and see what similar coins are going for. So there you have it, the 1975 with D Lincoln cent in extra fine condition. It's a wonderful piece of numismatic history and a great addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, coins like this offer a glimpse into the past and can even be a fun investment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to CoinQuest for more coin collecting tips and history, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you all.